Hello my friends. In this lesson, we will be learning about a helpful feature that gives you the ability to disconnect and completely cut off the internet connection specifically from WhatsApp while still keeping all your other apps and applications connected to the internet as usual. I believe that this particular feature can be quite useful and beneficial for certain people, especially for those who are being bothered, disturbed, or interrupted by others on WhatsApp but who still want to remain online and available on other platforms or applications. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your very first time watching, please do not forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button, following, liking, and sharing this video with your friends and family members. This feature works on the regular WhatsApp application as well as WhatsApp Business. It is also fully compatible with Android phones as well as iPhones. For example, we will demonstrate the explanation using the regular WhatsApp app. So I open it as usual and then I tap on these three dots from this spot. After that, I tap on the settings icon. Then I slowly scroll down a little bit until I find the option labeled Storage and Data, which is where you can manage your storage and data usage. And if your phone is currently set to a different language, remember the icons and the specific locations that you'll be navigating to. So I go ahead and tap on this particular spot on the screen and then look for the option labeled Proxy. Now I'll tap on this spot and then I tap here to continue forward. So in this place, what I do is enter this command or sometimes these numbers depending on what is needed. Specifically, I type in 1.1.1.1, making sure to press each number and dot carefully. After I have finished entering this sequence, I look for the spot on the screen where I need to click next. I move my mouse pointer to this area and click in this spot to confirm my input. Once I have clicked here, I go back to the previous screen to continue with the next steps. As you can see, this particular feature has now been activated at this time. Now, WhatsApp is no longer connected to the internet, which means it cannot send or receive any messages or notifications until it is reconnected. So when anyone sends me a message, what happens is that it will show or be confirmed that I am offline to them. This means that from their perspective, I am not available to respond or interact at that moment. However, in reality, I am still using my device, but I am just browsing other apps or doing something else on my phone. I am not actually logged out or disconnected from the internet. I am simply not visible as online in this particular app. If I want to reconnect and appear online again, I need to follow the same steps as before, navigating through the app until I reach this spot. Once I am here, I can deactivate this option, which will immediately update my status and make me appear online to others again. Now I am connected to the internet again, so my device has access to online services. And when I want to disconnect or completely cut off the internet from the WhatsApp app, I simply click here. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. The WhatsApp tutorial playlist contains very important and helpful guides that you'll like and benefit from. See you next time, my friends.